After a month of work in Africa, it's time to go back to our garage, NEWMAN 4x4 in France. This is where our new Defender is getting a full rebuild, ready for our overland trip around the world. But first, we went camping in Ardèche. This is perfect, this is exactly what we wanted. Back to nature. We can see the cliffs, but we can't figure out how to get there just yet. Lead the way, Steffi. I can see through there some pretty awesome looking cliff faces.
You're a bit hot, are you?
It's humid.
When we arrive to a crag, usually there is some names, and then we refer to the climbing guide that it's got usually photos and name of the climbs and the grade. We just found the Alexander and it's a 6A plus, which is a good warm-up. I'll show you what we've got in our climbing. Yeah, to start off, a harness. Then we have a helmet. Very important. We have to admit we don't wear it all the time, but we're working on it. This is a belay device. I've got here a leash to make myself safe on the top of the climb. Chalk bag for sweaty palms. Belay gloves. Quick draws. A 70 meters dynamic rope and some climbing shoes compared to my normal shoes. Let's do that. Okay. Sports climbing, it's when the climb is a quick clip, the quick drop, and then your rope will be clipped. If you fall, I'm really impressed with that stove. So we have lentils with carrot and zucchini, hot chili sauce.
Oh, the rain.
Good morning. How did your little camping trip turn out?
Pretty good, except we got rained out again.
Where are we going now?
Back to the garage. The car is calling us, I think.
Yesterday you got sunburned and today we are going to wear puffy jacket.
Through the mangroves. It's beautiful. And check out this. What's it called? Pont d'Arc? Famous arch in the on the Ardèche River. I think this is the Ardèche River.
Good morning. So we had to shorten our camping trip in Ardèche and we are back here at NEWMAN 4x4 living in a camper on the car park. The weather is really bad, but we try to stay positive and motivated, and now we're gonna do a little morning training. Can you see our little camper here? It is 8:30, 8 degrees in the camper. Gonna make breakfast. What are you making?
Porridge. Porridge and apple.
Yay!
Fresh fruit and veg, did you order?
Wee, thank you!
Here you go.
I couldn't even if I tried it. All I hear is this voice inside of me, but I do my best to hide it, and I pray that it is temporarily. I've been
You can fit a lot in our little fridge, and I like to keep some fruit and veg in this box. Here.
Who's the boss here? I got some very exciting news. The car is, I would say, 95% ready. Grizzly's gonna go on Bear 2 for the very first time. Exciting stuff. Then, tomorrow morning, we're gonna take Bear 2 for his very first test run. It's never even been driven out of the garage yet, but we're gonna do 500 kilometers. There's been so much work done to this car. Land Rover.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
I can see the car just out there. It's gonna be very exciting.
The car is gonna come out of the garage for the first time. It's coming, it's coming.